Hey everyone, my name is John Shea. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to introduce you to myself and give you a little bit of an idea of what you're going to be getting in this course. Now, really, what I've done is I put together pretty much like a guideline where you could take a simple idea, turn that into an ebook, and then launch that ebook and make money from that over a long period of time. So throughout the course, I'm basically going to walk you through some ideas on how to pick a niche. I'm going to show you an ebook that I actually created. I'm then going to show you how I was able to create the ebook using a very simple editor and make the book actually look very professional looking in terms of inside the ebook as well as outside if you do decide to do some artwork, things like that. I'm going to show you where to outsource the artwork. I'm also going to show you how to actually market the ebook. I give you kind of a case study of something I did where I basically found a popular internet marketing forum where I was able to go out, promote the book, and then get some affiliates to help me also promote the ebook and make some sales. And I was able to make well over $1,000 within a very short span of time. And over a longer period of time, the book continued to make sales over the next year and beyond. So that's really what this whole course is about. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or start a discussion. I'd be happy to help you out however I can.